Hey there, this is Shaelee with Midtown Marketing. I have your website pulled up here so that we can go through your online presence. And looking through your website, you guys have a clean looking site here. I would recommend adding some more content throughout here. Google has what's called crawlers, and they're crawling the internet 24/7. And so you want to make sure that you have at least 1,500 words on your home page to be considered an authority with Google. And then you want keywords embedded without. And here is an example of a keyword, Dallas Foundation Repair. And so when your customers are searching for this here, the first thing that pops up are some ads. And if we scroll down, this is the Google Map Pack section. And 30 to 40% of business goes into the Google Map Packs. And so you want to be in the top 3 here because they get a lot of that 30 to 40%. And the way that you outrank these other businesses is having a Google business profile that has more citations, which is your business name, phone number, and address, and other places like Yelp. And then you want to have a good amount of reviews and geotagged photos. And if we scroll down here, this is the organic listing, and the remainder of that 60 to 70% of business goes into this organic listing section. And so this is where your website would be ranking. And it is important to be on this first page here because 90% of people will stay on the first page. And then you want to be as high up as possible. So let's take a look at this #1 ranking website for this keyword, Premier. It'd be really easy to outdo them in the content department. So let's take a look at the back end of each website. I have Premier plugged into Ahrefs here. We're going to look at ratings pulled from Google data. The UR and the DR, this is the trustworthiness and the authority of a website. They have 35 and 7, coming from 3.22 thousand backlinks, which are coming from 188 referring domains. And so a backlink is one website linking to another. So it's kind of like a shout out. And it is important to mention here that not all backlinks are created equal. You do want to have good quality backlinks so you are boosting these numbers, because spammy ones will bring these numbers down. And Premier has 291 keywords on their website. And let's take a look at yours. I have your website plugged in here. And you all have 6 and 0 coming from your 173 backlinks, which are coming from 14 referring domains. And you all have 152 keywords on your website. And so you'd want to boost these numbers here so that they are higher than your competitors. The way that you do that is getting some high quality backlinks here, and then making sure that you have good buyer intent keywords on your website. Now, one way to get high quality backlinks is called the copycat method. You'd go into Premier's backlinks here, and then you would link those to your website as well. The reason is if it is working for them, it would work for you guys as well. And then let's take a look at some of their keywords that they have. So they have these keywords on their website and they are ranking for them. So this is where some of the traffic is coming from. So Foundation Repair Dallas, 1,000 people are searching for this every single month. Dallas Foundation Repair, 150, 180, 100, and this list just keeps going. And so in order for you to get some more traffic, you'd want to make sure that your Google business profile is ranking for all the keywords you're interested in, so adding more citations there, and then making sure that your website is ranking as well. You want to boost your trustworthiness and your authority, so add some high quality backlinks there. Add some content and all the buyer intent keywords that apply to you. And so I would love to know if this was valuable for you. If you'll give me a call, let me know if it was helpful. and I'll let you know the joke of the day. Thank you for watching.